Today we're going to be taking a look at how to build the vehicle you want from scratch. Log into your computer and go to Ford.com and click on Vehicles. Here you can choose whichever vehicle style you want, from SUVs and cars, trucks and vans, all electrical and hybrids, all the way up to performance vehicles and commercial vehicles. For today's example, we're going to build an F-150 from scratch. I want specific things on my vehicle, so let's do it. When I click on F-150, I find the 2026 F-150, and everyone can search inventory for all dealerships that are near you. However, for this example, we're going to take a look at what happens if I want something specific. I'm going to take my cursor and head right over here to the right where it says Build and Price. I put in my zip code so that it gives you an idea of what the inventory may be near you. The closest one to me, of course, is right here at 5 Star Ford in North Richland Hills, Texas. But you have two options. You can build your own or find one that's already out there. So, for argument's sake, Ford is going to build out what 80 to 90% of the public would want. Ford is going to build the most common type of F-150 that a typical customer would be looking for. But I want something specific. So I'm going to build my own, create my own customized F-150 from the roof down. Click on Start Your Build. Here I'm going to get the options of an XL, which is the very base model. Most of the time comes in a 2-door, and move up to the STX, an XLT, a Lariat, the King Ranch, and then of course all the way up to the Platinum. Now with each of these, there's certainly a range. If I choose the most common type, which is XLT, it's going to range somewhere in this vicinity, somewhere around $44,695 MSRP. That doesn't mean that the vehicle you're going to look for is going to cost that much, because it all comes down to packages. What is it that I'm getting in there? What size bed? How many doors? So let's start our build. We're going to go XLT, start my build, and I have to click, what am I looking for? We get to choose the colors, so let's take a look at some of the colors. So just by clicking the color on the right-hand side for paint, I can see what a vehicle that would be ruby red would look like. The next color is marsh gray, and it says if I choose marsh gray, then I have to add the 301A package and remove the base package, which means I can click this little I here for more information, and it tells me what a 301A includes. It includes an 8-way power seat, armrest with storage and locking storage under the back seat, dual zone climate control, and a wrapped leather steering wheel. Do I want to do that? The answer is sure. So if I choose this particular color of marsh gray, it means I'm going to upgrade my vehicle just a little. I can choose back down to avalanche. The next color is deep blue, but if I take this argon blue, it's a metallic color, and it requires that you have the chrome appearance package. So it'll take the base color off. It adds the chrome appearance package. It adds the 301 that we just talked about, and do I want to continue? So that's where some of the pricing comes in. When we say you're going to build it custom, That's within reason. You can't get everything customized, but you can get really close. Carbonized gray. I'm going to look at the white, Oxford white, and then the bright silver. So for this example, we're going to choose the red, ruby red metallic. Anytime you choose a metallic tint, you're looking at around $500. Which engine am I looking for? The engine that comes in normal XLT will be a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. However, you can upgrade to a 3.5 liter V6 or the 5.0 liter V8. Let's say that I want a much heavier duty engine. Let's say for this example, I want a V8 engine because I plan to pull a boat. I'll click on the bigger engine. It tells me that it's going to take the smaller engine out, it's going to put the bigger engine in, and this is my change in price. Now, it comes with a two-wheel drive, but what if I want four-wheel drive? Well, then I click on 4x4, and it's making the change for me. 10-speed automatic transmission. Do I need an electronic locking axle? Do I want to change that or just keep it as is? There are a couple of options for you. Do I want an equipment group package? And the answer is yes. I want to add the 301 because I want my 8-way powered seats. Am I looking for an off-road package? Let's say yes, that's what I want. And I need the towing and haul package. I need to make sure that I am completely ready to tow the boat behind me. It allows me to take a look at the wheels. I'll keep just the painted aluminum wheels, but there are options for silver, which would change my 4x4, and I don't want to do that. Do I want a tonneau cover on the back that's retractable? Am I looking for any type of foldable bed extender, a bed liner? I can add a tough bed spray-in liner because I'm going to be hauling a lot of things. Each one of these allows me to custom build whatever I may want on the back. Let's choose running boards, and I've got cloth seats inside. I'm okay with everything else, but again, look at all of the options that you're allowed to try. And now here's my summary. I have a 5.0 V8 engine. I have 4x4 added into it. I have the 301A package. I added the off-road package, and I added the towing and hauling package. I added a bed liner that was sprayed in, and I added black running boards, which are going to be here to help the step up. I can get an internet price or I can search inventory. So if I get an internet price, it's just going to tell me how much it would cost. But where can I get this? Here's my estimated price. I went from a base of $49,000. Adding all the options that I did went up to $58,720. And here is my estimated monthly payment. Of course, that's going to change depending on your credit and your banking situation. However, if I search inventory, I want to see who has one of these close to what I'm looking for nearby. So I'm going to search inventory. And what it's going to show me is all the stuff that I chose. Is there one anywhere nearby? And the answer is there are some that are close. For example, here are ones that are a different color. They're not in the red. But as I scroll down, I actually find one. As we saw in our example, the price that came out was around $58,000. So when I go search inventory, I found 2 trucks that are what's called a good match. That means it's close to what I was asking for, but not everything. But here is one for $59,000 and here is one for $60,000. So there's one thing that's a little bit different in each one. I'm still looking at a 4x4. I'm looking at a Super Crew, a 5.5-foot bed, black interior. It's got the connectivity package. The question is, does it have everything I'm looking for? So how will I know that? I can go to view the details. So when I click on view the details, it's actually going to bring up that particular vehicle and tell me what it's got in it. I slide down and I can check to see what size engine it has in it. I can check to see what appearance package it has. It does have the off-road package. It's got the floor liners inside. It doesn't look like this one has the spray-in bed liner, but that can always be added in aftermarket. So will this work for me? Possibly. This is something that I may want to go to the dealership and take a look at. But what we have in Ford.com and a 5-star Ford North Richland Hills is we have our pricing on the screen at all times. What you see is what you can get it for. There are incentives of $1,000 back. Employee pricing, which means you can get the same pricing that all employees get. After a dealer sale price of $58,095 with the down payment, your subtotal, taxes and fees, estimated costs out the door. So, can this truck work for me? Possibly. I can request details, which will send the information to my local dealership. Here's the VIN number, and I can take a look at the window sticker. That's how I will know what it's got. So let's look at this window sticker real quick. It's an F-150, and if you can follow the arrow, F-150. I have a 4x4 Super Crew. It's got a V8 engine in it. So everything I was looking for there. On the left-hand side, here's where the difference in price came in. Not only did it have the 301A, it now has the 302A, which means that it's got LED side mirrors with the spotlights, and it's got a power sliding rear window. It's got the V8 engine in it. It has the black appearance package that goes with it. It's got the off-road package. It's got a 36-gallon fuel tank so that it can go a lot further. So if I like this, this is where I head. If I'm not happy with it, then I just click out of here and I go back and I start again. Folks, that's how you build on Ford.com.